Hi. First of all, I want to thank you for your interest in our weeding and yard cleanup services. I want to take just a moment and tell you what you're going to get with these services. Our yard cleanup services can cover a wide variety of maintenance and cleanup tasks that you need completed around your yard. Our most popular service is our monthly cleanup service. During this service, our guys will come and clean up any debris, garbage throughout your yard. They'll also weed flower beds, they'll trim shrubs, they'll trim low-hanging branches on trees, and overall, just make sure that your flower beds and yard are looking nice and tidy. If your yard has gotten away from you, we offer a one-time cleanup service as well, where you can take your yard from a giant disaster to clean and tidy. After that, you can still join the monthly cleanup service to keep your yard always looking its best. If you prefer to just call once in a while to get a cleanup done, that is no problem at all. But keep in mind that you will get a better rate on a regular ongoing service, as we give our regular clients a little better price for their loyalty. We also find that it is generally cheaper in the long run to maintain than it is to clean up once in a while. And you get the added bonus of your yard always looking awesome. We also offer spring and fall cleanup services. We are here during spring, summer, fall, and even winter to make sure that your yard is tip-top year-round. Our technicians are actually trained in pruning and weeding. We make sure that when we send a crew to your property, they know what they are doing, and they are well equipped to get the job done properly and safely. So if you're looking for a company that can take care of your yard and flower beds on an ongoing basis, we are your company. Thank you for watching, and let our office know if you have any further questions about this service at all. And we look forward to working with you. Have a great day. We'll see you later. Bye.